Boom.
Go grab your card.
This Joker. Nah, I'm good, man. Alright, first of all, this Joker got me on the beach at 8 o'clock in the morning. You serious? I actually got up at 6 to get ready. Me on the beach? Whew. Yeah. This is gonna be entertaining. Look at this egghead Joker. What's out front?
How much time does it have, or you get a card in there?
Yeah, I got a 16 gig. I'm recording in 4K right now, so it'll probably go for 30 minutes. Ladies and gentle stinks, we are out here at Clearwater Beach. We're under the pier, see?
Oh,
look at this Joker. Once again, they got me on the beach. This is a monumental moment. And I came front. It's nice out here. Hold up, I'm gonna show you the beach. Peep this. Well, there go the beach. Yeah, man. All right, so right now, what's happening is we're waiting on this girl to show up. She ain't come yet. It's 9 o'clock, so we're still waiting. That's fine. But right now, I'm under the pier, and it's cool. And the wind is blowing. I want to throw my drone up, but
Cop right behind you.
the wind velocity might grab it. But the scenery is nice down here on the beach, man. I think it'll look pretty stinking cool, you know. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'll catch you on the next seg, but give me a minute. You know what I'm saying? What up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Good, man.
Oh, this Joker here. This peanut head Joker. Oh man. Hey, y'all tripping though.
30-minute window. That's it, man.
Yeah.
9:30 shit here. Yeah.
Man, all I know is I'm starting to sweat right now. And this girl still ain't show up, and it's hot. I'm in the shade though, you know, feels nice, okay in the shade, but you know, that sun is getting kind of, you see it. And this Florida, Clearwater Beach, man, you know. But yeah, I don't know. I think we were gonna like, they're gonna shoot up under the pier, you know, because of the you know, them things that's holding up the pier. It looks cool under it, so that's what he's gonna do. Now I'm gonna walk into the sun. You're gonna see a drastic change. See? So, well, it's not drastic, joke. I just came into the darn sun. But yeah, it's crazy hot out here. I should like walk up on the pier. I want to throw my drone up, man. But I'm scared somebody gonna be, you know, start tripping. We already saw a cop out here, and you know, that'd be so tight to let this drone fly out on the beach and let you, you know, see the beach with the buildings and stuff. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. But I don't know. But anyway, catch you on the next segment. I have no idea where I'll be, but love, peace, and fish grease. finally showed up. So I'm getting ready to put my feet in this dirty behind water. Ew, this is disgusting. But let's go. What we got? You see this? No bueno.
Stink joker, stink joker, stink joker, stink joker. You a stink joker, stink joker, stink joker, stink joker, stink joker. You a stink joker.
Football is what I like to play. I'm not that good at it, but I can chunk a ball for a hate. My left arm is kinda weak now. I don't know what it is.